It's time for Friday Focus. Today, we're going to talk about the circumstances by which great luck can find you. I am Laura Berman Fortgang, Master Credential Coach, 5-time best-selling author, and TEDx speaker. So can you create your own luck? There are some things that you can do that will help you set up the stage for good things to happen to you. Circumstance number 1, clear the slate. Get rid of any unfinished business, belongings you don't need, clean up relationships, have those difficult conversations. Circumstance number 2, setting boundaries. Protect your time. Protect yourself from people that don't treat you right. Create space for yourself. Third circumstance, being specific. Get specific about what you want. Making more money is not specific. Trying to cover all your bases because you don't want to make a wrong choice, that is not being specific. Being clear on what you want, that makes a difference to luck happening to you. Next circumstance, take twice as much action as you think you need. Things take longer than you think they're going to. And probably the toughest circumstance is practicing detachment. What do I mean by that? Doing all of the above, but somehow not being crushed if it doesn't go your way. So remember, clear the slate of unfinished business, put boundaries in place to keep that space for yourself, get specific about what you want, take twice as much action as you think you need, and practice detachment. Thank you for being here for Friday Focus, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Bye.